Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're going to check out the 2016 Bugatti Chiron from the 2020 D case, so let's get straight into it. Smash that big thumbs up, but also don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now this is the second time we've had the Bugatti released, and it is the first time for 2020, and it's in the Factory Fresh series. Take a look at it. It's that beautiful Metalflake Black. It's got that black plastic tinted window, a nice grey interior. You can't see very well, but it is grey. Got lots of detailing there, the silver on the sides, the front, the Bugatti symbol, and it's also wearing the same wheels as the first release J5 wheels, and again in chrome. Now the first release didn't work too well on the track, and I was hoping for different wheels for the 2020 release, but the same wheels, so I'm gonna have a guess that this car's probably gonna perform the same on the track. Let me know, how popular do you think this 2016 Bugatti Chiron from the 2020 D case is going to be? Alright, let's get this Bugatti Chiron on the track. Take a look at it. Really happy to add this one to my collection. So straight down, give it a push, and went around the loop into the booster and wiped out. Last time we tried it on a different track layout, so I was hoping that it might work a little bit better. And you can see this push went through the booster, through the loop, and onto the straight without a problem, and then into the turn. Bit of a shake around there, but not too bad at all, but lost way too much speed to come back into the booster a second time. So I gave it a little push, and again, it just can't make it back to that booster, so probably the wheels just aren't spinning enough on the axles. Alright everyone, big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now let me know in the comments below, have you already picked up this 2016 Bugatti Chiron in the 2020 Hot Wheels Factory Fresh series? Alright everyone, thanks for watching.